Hi, welcome to interview.com. I'm going to explain you one of the important DB interview question. What is the difference between delete, drop, and truncate? The delete command is used to remove rows from a table. Okay, a where class can be used to, to only remove some of the rows. If no where condition is specified, all rows will be removed. Okay, after performing a delete operation, you need to commit or roll back the transaction to make the change permanent or to undo it. Truncate removes all rows from table. The operation cannot be rolled back and no triggers will be fired. As such, truncate is faster and doesn't use as much undo space as delete. Okay, truncate is like immediately remove all the rows. Delete is like you have a where class, there is a condition that need to be checked. Drop command removes a table from the database. All the tables, rows, indexes, and privileges will also be removed. No DML triggers will be fired. The operation cannot be rolled back. Okay, let us see this. So you select the count, it was 14. I'm going to delete it. Delete from employee where job is equal to clerk. Okay, 4 rows are deleted. And commit. So commit. After committing, I'm just checking the again the count of the employee table, so it becomes 10. So 14, from 14 4 rows are deleted, 10 it becomes 10. Let's see truncate table employee, table truncated, the count becomes 0. Immediately the rows are removed. Okay, drop table drop, select star from employee, select star from employee, table viewer does not exist. Okay, so these are the three main commands for removing rows and the table from the database. Hope this video is useful for your interview preparation. If you're looking for a job opportunity within India, kindly submit your resume using the following link. We will do the needful to find out the right job based on a skill set. This video is from interview.com. All the best.